Okay, in aptitude session today we are discussing about a topic of number system. Already we are discussing about what is the weightage of a number system in bank and the SSC. Within a bank level compulsory it takes 5 to 8 marks. 5 to 8 marks depending upon this is the one of the chapter, that is 10th one is simplification. With the help of a simplification in bank exam it consists 5 to 8 marks. Whenever it is goes to an SSC compulsory 10 marks. Compulsory it weightage is 10 marks. Already I told that 5 to 8 marks, here it is 10 marks depending upon number of simplification questions. Okay, first today we are discussing about what are the topics, that is subtopics of number system. Already I told that what are the different topics in introduction video, and then now with the help of one of the examples I will. Okay, first one is types of numbers. Types of numbers. Why we have to discussing about a types of numbers? First we need a basics. What are the numbers? Type of numbers means a natural number, whole number, like that. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers, odd numbers, like that. With the help of these numbers we can do a problems in a easy way. Next, move to the divisibility rules. What are the uses of a divisibility rules? Whenever a number is seen, for the calculation purpose we have to take it in a fast way. That is the divisibility rules for a 2 or else 3, 4 up to 20. In our video up to 20 numbers, that is 1 to 20 numbers we are discussing. What are the divisibility rules for a 1 to 20 numbers? Now move to the decimals and fractions. Okay, decimal ante enti, fraction ante enti, oka definition. Okay, what is the decimal? This one 0.2 is a decimal and 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is a fraction. What is the difference between a decimal and fraction? We are discussing about in this chapter. With the help of a decimal point the integer values are divided. Now 0 and 2 are integers, but with the help of a decimal point now 0 and 2 are separated. Now it is called as a decimal number. Like that fraction is a part of a unit. It is a part. What is the part? That is 2 by 5th part. A fraction consists of numerator and then denominator. Okay, this is the difference of decimal and fractions. In our chapter we are discussing in detailed way depending upon problems also. Next, move to the place value and face value. What is the both are values? This one is place value, this one is face value. Both are same, but what is the difference of place and face value? Okay, face means as it is, always face is as it is, but the place value is depending upon the place, For suppose the number is in the units place, we have to multiply it with a 1. But suppose the number is in the tens place, now the number is multiplied with 10. For suppose it is in the thousands place, the number is multiplied with 1000. Like that place value and face value we are discussing. And then problems also. Next, square and square roots. This what is mean by square? That is x is a number. The x is multiplied twice, that is x square. Same number is multiplied twice, that is x square. X square is a square of a x, like that. And then what are the square roots? That is a root of x. X is a number, root of x is a square root of x, like that. Depending upon these two, in shortcut way how to find a square, how to find a square roots we are discussed. And then cubes and cube roots. What is meant by cube and what is meant by cube roots? Okay, the same number is multiplied thrice now. X into x, that is x cube. For the square, same number multiplied twice. For the cube, same number multiplied thrice. Now the x cube is cube of a x. Same like that, cube to root of x. Cube root means cube to root of x. Here it is square root of x. Here it is cube to root of x. Okay. Whenever the roots are more than that of 2, we can compulsory write a value here. We can compulsory write a value here. But for the square root, we can write or else did not write. Okay, with the help how to find a cubes and cube roots in a easy way, we are discussing in this chapter. Now move to the units place of a value. What is the meaning of a units place? Last digit. That is last digit from the right end. Units place means last digit from the right end. We have to find what is the last digit of a number or else a unit digit of a number in easy way. Whenever it is a product, whenever it is a addition or a subtraction or a square root, like that. Next, last two digits of a result. Result means same. Whenever x and y. Last two digits of a result. Result means after getting a product or else multiplication or else division, like that. Last two digits of a number. Last two digits means tens and units place. That is tens and units place. Here it is only units place or last digit. Last digit or units place, this one. This one is last two digits or tens and units place. Next, move to the number of zeros. Number of zeros, that is, okay, 202 and 20 and 200. Now three numbers are there. Whenever the question, find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros. That means last, we should be zeros at a last. Here it is 10, but it is not counted as a 0 for our question. We needed a last zeros. After the 0, there is no any integer value. There is no any integer or a whole number or a natural number. This is not counted. How many zeros here? 1 0. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. Like that we have to find number of zeros in a result or a sum something. Okay. Next, move to the simplification. Simplification is the main thing in this chapter. Simplification is depending upon V-Bodmas. Simplification is depending upon V-Bodmas. What is meant by V-Bodmas? V is Venneculum, B for brackets, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Whenever we are doing a simplification, compulsory we have to follow this rule. Compulsory we have to follow this rule. Without this rule, without this rule, the answers are getting wrong in an exam. Okay. Next, cyclicity. Cyclicity means repeated. That is, whenever it is cycling. Cycling means repeated. Okay. What are the numbers coming in the units place, tens place, thousands place, hundreds place, like that? At what time? At what time that these are repeating? This one is called as a cyclicity or repetition or a oscillation. Oscillation means also rounding. Okay. This one is used in this one chapter, divisibility rules. Whenever divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not a problem. But whenever 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 11, 17, 13, 19. These 5 numbers we are using a oscillator. That is a negative oscillator or a positive oscillator. That is a cyclicity. Cyclicity means, look at here, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Whenever 2 power 1 is, units place is 2, here it is 4, here it is 8, here it is 16. And then 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. What are the units place numbers? 2, 4, 8, 6. Here also 2, 4 and then 8 and then 6. The cyclicity of any numbers powers is how many times? After every 4 powers the cyclicity is repeated, like that. Whenever it is called as oscillator, used for this rules, used for this rule. These are all the prime numbers. There is no exact rule for the prime numbers. With the help of a oscillators we can 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 we have to study. Okay, now move to the LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. What is the meaning of LCM? Least common multiple. What is meant by HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, least common multiple and highest common factor. Okay, first manam ikkada types of after the divisibility rules we are discussing about what is meant by a multiple, what is meant by a factor. Depending upon factors also the numbers are two types in this type. Okay, we are discussing one by one point in the in 12 topics. The major topics in these 12 topics are simplification, LCM and HCF. Simplification and LCM HCF consists of minimum in the examination. Here it is 5 marks, here it is compulsory 3 to 4 marks. Okay, for the bank compulsory 5 marks, for the SSC exam compulsory consists of 3 to 4 marks. Okay, this is the brief explanation for a number system. What are the topics we are covering in this chapter? Okay, and then for the types of numbers we are discussing about a 2 to 3 classes, and then divisibility rules also for a 2 to 3 classes. Minimum 50 number of videos we are covering in this chapter for a number system. Why? Because the weightage of number system in any exam point of view more and more. Okay, thank you.